So friends, this is uh, the light body preparing for another upgrade during the month of December. Usually it happens during the solstice, but the preparation, as we know, nothing happens suddenly. So the body prepares for it since, like, my body has been gearing up to receive this upgrade since November, mid-November, because I can feel my skin turning more dry and crystalline. Because when I touch it like this, it's very dry. It doesn't sweat as much, and it's what can I say? What word can I use? You can say crystalline structure, especially the palm, and you can see the crystal particles more in the indoor light that we use, the white light. You can also see it in the sunlight, but I'm not sure how much it's visible now. This is noon time here in India. Yeah, you can see it glow. Yes. Yeah. And if you notice, you can also see yeah, you can see the sparkles here. See, this is the shift from carbon to crystalline, and we are the pioneers. And you can see that my skin has become more transparent, like so. This is a process that star seeds have already undergone several times before, because this is their job, sort of, coming to planetary systems and helping in the ascension process. Physically, right now, we don't have the memories. I don't have the memories of my other projects, you can say, on different planets, but this is what Illumined Twin Flames do. So what star seeds do, any planet that is ascending, we help the planet collective to ascend. Majorly, you can see the rainbow light sort of here. You can see the rainbow glow. That is because of the crystalline structure of the skin. Here you can see it better in the morning light. This light is a little bit harsh. There you can see the sparkles. Okay, so this is clearly visible on my palm, but and it glows like a Christmas tree. The skin and the body glows like a Christmas tree, especially when I'm channeling energy into the planet, because that is what starseeds do. They have to follow certain templates when it comes to eating food, when it comes to whatever decisions they have to make. Right now, I'm not saying that I'm perfect and I strictly obey all those templates, but day by day, I'm doing my best to align with those 5D templates. Twin flame relationship is one of the template. Living off grid is also one of the templates, but I'm yet to see how I can make that possible for me.